Welcome to Don't Get Wrecked. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Sudan. Let's get started. Step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com, type in Sudan, click the link below, and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Sudan. Choose an exchange that suits your needs. Step 2, register and KYC. This process involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3, deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is different depending on which exchange you chose, so be sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to check out the updated list of best exchanges in Sudan. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way, you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. Link below.